Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Lovely Dimple M. Gamad. We're going to explain the three basic C++ topics with example and outputs. The topics are C++ keyword identifiers and comments, preprocessor directives, main function, namespace, and basic input and output, and lastly is variables, scope, and initialization. So let's get started.
Let's talk about keywords and identifiers and comments in C++. Keywords are reserved words that have special meaning in C++. Examples are int, return, and using. This word cannot be used as variable names. Identifiers are names given to variables functions. Examples are age, number, and main. Comment are notes written in the code to help programmers understand it. Comments are ignored by the compiler. When I run this program, the output is age 20. The comments do not affect the program. The keyword int creates an integer variables and cout.
The second topic is preprocessor directives, main function, namespace, basic input and output. A preprocessor directive starts with the hashtag simple, the hashtag include iostream directive allows input and output. The main function is the starting point of every C++ program. A namespace help organize code. std contains cout and scene. Scene is used for input and cout is used for output. When I run the program, it asks the user to enter a number. For example, I enter 20 and you enter 20. This shows how scene receive input and cout display output. The third topic is variables, scope, and initialization. And here are the example number 2.